So, welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about the rumor about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Of course, we know that Z Fold 6 has not been the best phone that Samsung has produced, but with the little reports that we are getting and the leaks all over the internet, we've discovered that at least the Z Fold 7 is going to be a little bit better than the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Some of the reports that we are going to talk about today is the camera, the thickness. We're also going to talk about the design, the performance. So stay tuned and stay till the end of this video so that you can get the full gist about this new flagship that Samsung is going to be releasing soon. First thing we're going to talk about the Z Fold 7 in general. So the good news we are getting from Roxion suggested that the Z Fold 7 should have the same display size as of Z6e. That means the Fold 7 that is coming is going to have side with the special edition of the Z Fold 6, which is a little improvement on how Samsung operates. Then the other thing that is a little bit sketchy is because the Z6 special edition does not support S Pen. So that means there's a little bit of skepticism about Z Fold 7 going to support S Pen, but you know that all the chip that Samsung have been producing recently support S Pen. But there's a report from the leg that said that Samsung, they are producing a kind of prototype or maybe a mechanism that is going to support digitizer. So that means if it's not supporting S Pen, because according to reports that the digitizer Z Fold 7 will be removed. So if they are producing something else that is going to support that, this report here, he said the production is going to commence by 2026, and we are expecting to see the Z Fold 7 in 2025. So, but let us keep our fingers crossed and see what is going to be. Talk about the display. When you look at it, the display, okay, when unfolded, is going to be 203.1 millimeter, but when folded, it will be 164.8 meter. So to have the same shape and the same display as the Z Fold 6 Special Edition. About the thickness, Economic Daily states that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will be thinner and lighter than that of Z Fold 6, a better one, because to the report suggests that the Samsung is trying to make the thickness of this Z Fold 7 to be the same thing as that of Samsung S24 Ultra, which is about 8.6 meter thick, compared to the Z Fold 6 that is 0.1 millimeter. Means that the Fold 7 to be very thinner and lighter than Z Fold 6. Now they are going to use Samsung Exynos, which is not what we are expecting for such a huge phone, because of course when it comes out to compete with other companies that are producing phones, for them to be dropping Dragon, their Exynos, a little bit of a grading. This is according to my own opinion. For the camera will remain the same. According to reports, the camera will remain the same, like that of the Z Fold 6 cameras, with 3 megapixels for the main sensor and 12 pixels for the ultra wide sensor and megapixels for the photo lens. Likely that the only difference will be that the Z Fold 7 will have AI, a lot of AI features like AI generated image, live translation, and the rest of it already in Samsung Galaxy 24 Ultra. That might be the only take that this Z Fold 7 is going to bring. The battery is rumored that it's going to come with 1400 milliamp hour of battery, 25 watts wire charging, and with 15 watts wireless charging. So those are the things that we are expecting from this great phone. So like this content, please subscribe and like, of course, share, and you can share it with your friends so that we can come here and we can be talking about the future of phones and predictions, and let's just talk everything about the ecosystem of smartphone. It might not be only Samsung, even also be the Apple, it can be Oppo, whichever brand you think we should talk about. Comment it on the comment section. I'm going to talk about it in my video.